Yes friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about common errors. Okay, so our today's topic is common errors. Okay, so let's start. Here we go. I am senior than him. Okay, sentence is that I am senior than him. Okay, now we have to find out the error. Okay, so after senior, junior, inferior, superior, okay, we have to use to. So I'm senior to him. Okay, we will not use than. Okay, we will use to. I'm senior to him, I'm junior to him. Okay, so we have to use to. The answer will be I am senior to him. Okay, next. I prefer milk than tea. I prefer milk than tea. Okay, so we have to find out the error. Okay. Prefer to. Okay, I prefer milk to tea. Okay, with prefer we have to use to, we will not use than. Okay. Next, he is my oldest brother. Okay, he is my oldest brother. Okay, so we have to find out the error here. Okay, he is my oldest brother. Okay. He is my eldest brother. Okay. What? He is my eldest brother. Okay. Elder, older, eldest, oldest में अंतर जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. Actually elder and older. Okay. ये हम परिवार के अंदर करते हैं या परिवार के बाहर यूज होता है. ओके, एल्डर कहाँ यूज होगा? ये परिवार के लिए यूज होगा. ठीक है. ओल्डर ये परिवार के बाहर यूज होता है. राइट. So he is my oldest brother. Okay, we have to use he is my eldest brother. Okay. Next, I am elder than my sister. I'm elder than my sister. Okay, so we have to use to here, we will not use than. Okay, I'm elder to my sister. Okay. Next, my friend is elder than me in age. Okay, sentence is that my friend is elder than me in age. Okay, so I told you जो elder है, elder क्या होता है? बड़ा उम्र में. ओके, और एल्डेस्ट क्या होता है? सबसे बड़ा. एक ही परिवार के सदस्यों के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं. और ओल्डर क्या होता है? बड़ा उम्र में. ओल्डेस्ट सबसे बड़ा. परिवार के बाहर के लोगों के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके, such as elder brother, elder sister. Okay, so we have to use here my friend is older. My friend is older than me in age. My friend is older than me in age. Okay. Once again we go through it. I'm senior. Okay. So with senior and junior we have to use to. Next, prefer we have to use to. Okay. I prefer milk to tea. He's my oldest brother. Okay. So he is my eldest brother. Okay. जो परिवार के लिए होता है, फैमिली के लिए, ओके, वहाँ हम oldest यूज नहीं करेंगे, वहाँ यूज करेंगे eldest. ओके. I am elder than my sister. Okay. Elder के साथ में to preposition आता है. Okay. I'm elder to my sister. My friend is elder than me in age. My friend is older than me in age. Okay. परिवार के बाहर के लिए हम older का यूज करते हैं. Right. Next. Elder to and older than. Okay. After elder we have to use to preposition. After older we will use than preposition. Okay. Next sentence. He is tall than I. Okay. He is tall than I. So he is taller. He is taller than I. Okay. He is taller than I. Okay. Next. Ram and Mohan have finished his work. Ram and Mohan have finished his work. Okay. So we have to find out the error. So how to find out the error? Okay. Ram and Mohan have finished so there is an error in his. Okay. So we have to use their work. Okay. Ram and Mohan have finished their work. Okay. Next. All our friends have gone. All our friends have gone to our homes. Okay. Sentence is that all our friends have gone to our homes. Okay. So we have to find out error. All our friends have gone to their homes. Okay. THEIR. Okay. There and there. Next. Your trouser is loose. Okay. The trouser is loose. Okay. Now we have to find out the error. Okay. Trouser or trousers? Okay. Your trousers are loose. Okay. Your trousers are loose. Okay. Next, if we say the Caesar is blunt. Okay. The Caesar is blunt. Okay. Caesar or Caesars. Okay. The Yes. Next, the scissor is blunt. Okay. So the scissors are blunt. The scissors are blunt. Okay. So कुछ शब्द हमेशा प्लूरल नंबर में ही प्रयोग किए जाते हैं और उनके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब की प्रयोग होती है. ओके. जैसे ट्राउजर्स, सीजर्स, savings. Okay. If I write here, I have no saving. Okay. I have no saving. So sentence will be right in this way. I have no savings. Okay. I have no order to go. Okay. So I have no orders to go. I have no orders to go. Okay. Next. यस. कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जो प्लूरल यानी बहुवचन अर्थ में ही एक वचन की तरह प्रयोग किए जाते हैं. ये शब्द सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में एक जैसे रहते हैं. जैसे शीप, फिश, डियर, हेयर, ओके, एटसेट्रा. नेक्स्ट. सेंटेंस में कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जो बनावट में सिंगुलर होते हैं किंतु अर्थ में प्लूरल ये बहुवचन की तरह ही प्रयोग किए जाते हैं और उनके साथ बहुवचन वर्ब ही लगती है. जैसे कि पीपल, कैटल, चिल्ड्रन. ओके. पीपल, cattle, children, and police. Okay. The peoples are happy. The peoples are happy. So if we have to find out the error. Okay. So the people are happy. Okay. We cannot write peoples. Okay. It will be people. The people are happy. Okay. The kettle is grazing. So the cattle are grazing. The cattle are grazing. Okay. We have to use are. Okay. We will not use is. Okay. Next. Home से पहले to नहीं लगाते हैं. Okay. Because if I write here I am going to home. Okay, this is wrong. Home से पहले हम to नहीं लगा सकते. Okay, so right sentence will be I will rub it. Okay, I am going home. This is right. Okay. But अगर home से पहले my, your, his, her, are, their, अगर ये दे रखा हो तो हम to का यूज करेंगे. ओके. he has gone his home. Okay, wrong. He has gone his home. Okay, so right sentence will be he has gone to his home. Okay, I told you that my, your, his, her are there. Okay, we have to use to. Okay, if we do not use it, okay, we will not use to, right? Next, let's now go to home. Okay, so how to find the error? Okay, let's now go home. Let's now go home. Okay, let's now go home. Next, यस, सेंटेंस में कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जिनका एक वचन से अर्थ कुछ होता है और बहुवचन से कोई दूसरा अर्थ। तो ऐसे कुछ शब्द लेट्स डिस्कस। ओके, वाटर, waters, singular and plural, singular and plural. Water and waters. Water, it means pani. Okay, waters, samudra. Okay, wood, लकड़ी, woods, जंगल, right? Good, सामान, sorry, good अच्छा and goods, सामान. Good यानी अच्छा, okay? Good, better, best, okay? Good यानी अच्छा, goods यानी कि सामान, okay? Next, force, बल, शक्ति, फोर्सेस, सेनाएं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ग्राउंड एंड ग्राउंड्स. ग्राउंड यानी जमीन, ग्राउंड्स यानी कारण. ओके, ग्राउंड यानी जमीन, ग्राउंड्स यानी कारण. Okay, next, air, air यानी हवा and airs, दिखावटी आचरण या नखरे जो होते हैं उसे बोलते हैं airs. Okay, next, color, and colors. कलर क्या होता है? रंग. और कलर्स क्या होते हैं? सेना के झंडे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, अब्यूज, अब्यूज होती गाली. ओके, एंड अब्यूजेस, जो कुरीतियां होती है उसे बोलते हैं हम अब्यूजेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट, quarter and quarters. Okay, quarter, क्वार्टर माने क्या होता है? क्वार्टर क्या होता है? मकान, या सॉरी, क्वार्टर क्या होता है? चौथाई. और क्वार्टर्स क्या होते हैं? छोटे मकान. क्वार्टर and quarters. क्वार्टर क्या होता है? चौथाई। और क्वार्टर्स क्या होते हैं? मकान। छोटे मकान जो होते हैं वो होते हैं क्वार्टर्स। ओके, he is either a fool and a joker. Okay, he is either a fool and a joker. Okay, so we have to find out error. Okay, pair is either and or, not either and. We have to use either or. Okay, he is either a fool or a joker. So either and or. Okay, it's wrong. Okay. Next, both Ram as well as Mohan came together. Okay. Both Ram as well as Mohan came together. Okay. So we have to find out error. So how to find out? The pair is both and. Okay, as well as. Okay, it will not come. Both Ram and Mohan came together. Okay. Both Ram and Mohan came together. Okay. So if we talk about pair, first part and second part. First part or second part. Okay. Either or. Okay. Second, neither nor. Third, both and. Not only but also. Not only but also. Okay. Last, should. Last, should.